without saying anything to me, and then I see the students are less in the class. Yes, Samriddhi, tell me what is your problem?
Ma'am, in yesterday's homework, I was having a doubt that in the we have to find under boxes we have to count. No.
See, I am going to repeat the same thing today also. Okay. Listen here, children. When we are talking about area, what do you mean by the word area? Please write in the chat box. What do you understand by the word area? Space. Very good. Please write in the chat box. Space occupied by an object. Space occupied by an object or shape or anything. So it is called inner space also. Yes. So now if I say I have traced a book. This is a book. For example, I have traced it. I need to find the area of this book. So the easy method which I have learned to make the squares. Yes or no? Squares of
Yes.
squares of equal length. So for example, if I have made the squares of 1 centimeter, these are the squares of 1 centimeter. Now I need to find out the area of the book. Area means the inner space, how much it has taken. For example, this is the book. If I keep this book somewhere on table or something, on some, like I need to find out how much the area this book is taking. So area is what? The surface, the space which the book has occupied. Yes. So suppose the book has occupied this much space. So what is the area of this book now? Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, 9 square centimeter. 9 square centimeter.
9 square centimeter.
Ma'am, 9 square
9 square centimeter. 9 square centimeter.
9 square centimeter.
Ma'am,
Hello.
ma'am, network issue.
And your hand freeze.
Everyone keep quiet. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Children,
you're back.
Yeah, just a second now. I'll repeat it again. So as I was talking, Riva, you also face difficulty. Many of the times your answers are wrong. Please pay attention here. So if I am talking about the area, means I am talking about the inner space, the space occupied by the object. Am I clear? When I am talking about the outside
Yes,
area,
ma'am.
outside boundaries,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
talking about? In that case, I will find the perimeter. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here, why centimeter I am using here? Because the unit which I have used, that is in centimeter. Because when you measure this, will it be possible to measure the book in the millimeters?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So for measuring the book, you know that for measuring the book, we will use the unit centimeters, because millimeter is smaller than centimeter. So millimeter we cannot. Can we use the unit kilometer for measuring the book?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
Kilometer is very big. No, ma'am. Because kilometer is used for road only.
Kilometer is used for, yes.
Ma'am, your board is not fully visible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Now?
Visible.
So no.
Okay, okay.
Only that side of it.
Please pin on my screen, children. Then my board and me, I also will be visible to you clearly.
Ma'am, right side. Ma'am, pinned you. Now it's okay.
Now please mute your mics. Mute your mics, everyone. You are not going to write. You are not going to write anything. You just have to understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, please, Arya, go. Ayans, please log out and log in again if you face any difficulty, because the board is clearly visible to Prachi ma'am. Only will direct me. Prachi ma'am, you are there, no? Prachi ma'am will only convey me. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, is the board visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Prisha, please go. Now, listen here. So now we were discussing on units. So if I will measure the this book, so the area will be in meters, centimeters, millimeters, or kilometers. Centimeters. Okay. If I want to measure the area, if I want to measure the area of a room, room is bigger than
Meter.
very good. Very good, Chandulal. Excellent. Meter. Okay. So when we want to measure, it depends on how. See, for example, the smaller units will be measured in, the smaller objects will be measured in can millimeter also. For example, have you seen a stamp? आपने stamp देखी है? छोटी छोटी जो ticket stamps लगती हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Like she is showing, Trisha is showing eraser. If I want to measure the eraser, I want to find the area of eraser. So the area of eraser will come in meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer.
I'm in millimeter.
Very good.
Millimeter.
In millimeter, because it's, yeah.
Millimeters.
Okay, it can millimeters, and it can come in centimeters also.
Ma'am, the big erasers that can come in centimeters.
Centimeters, yes. If I say 100 rupee note, if you want to measure the 100 rupee note, what is the area? And you find the area of 100 rupee note. So the unit which will be used to measure the
Centimeter. Centimeter. Millimeter.
Very good. Stop now.
Centimeter.
I will tell you. You try this at home. It will be measured in centimeter. 100 rupee note cannot be measured in meters. So because 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 1 meter equals to how many centimeters?
100 centimeter.
Who is saying 1,000? Who is saying 1,000? 100. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Stop now. Stop. Will it be possible the length of this 100 rupee note will be in the meters? इतना बड़ा नोट देखा है कभी आपने?
No, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
it is obvious we use the unit. So we will measure the unit of 100 rupee note in the centimeters. For example, if I want to find the area of a country, so which unit will be? Write in the chat box without switching on your mics, please. Next question is to measure the area of a country. Kilometers. Very good. Good. Now come to the next point. Now you are clear, Samriddhi, that we have to count the inner squares for the area.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why this
Someone has wrote centimeter.
No, centimeter, no, for measuring the country, area of a country, we measure in the
Rahil
kilometers.
has written.
Now,
Somebody has written 10 kg.
Chat box is closed now.
Chat box.
Yeah, I blocked the chat box. Now please pay attention here. Now come to the next. I will start today's, that I want to tell you one story. Once upon a time, grandmother gave a chocolate to two children, A and B. There were two students and grandmother gave them a chocolate. This was the chocolate. and this was the another chocolate for B.
Okay.
Right? This is the another chocolate for B, and this is the shape of the chocolate for A.
Yes.
Now they both were started fighting. Now they were thinking whose chocolate is bigger. Can you guess whose chocolate? Please tell your name and then turn on your mic.
Ma'am,
Please
Lamha.
Ma'am,
Megdad.
Ma'am, Prisha. Ma'am, Prisha.
Ma'am, can I say Anushka?
Stop.
Ma'am, Karan wants to say.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Lamha.
Stop.
Riva.
Stop.
Lamha.
Stop. I already called the name of a child. Migdad. Migdad. Please tell me. And children, now raise your hand. Please. Raise your virtual hand.
It is B.
B. How can you say that?
Ma'am, I can say that because the A one is a square
Hmm.
and the B, A's four sides are equal,
Hmm.
breadth and length.
Okay. And
B has
Lamha. Wait,
lots
wait.
of
Hmm.
Can I say? And
No one will say, can I say, please? Let me listen to Migdad, please. Yes, Migdad.
There's some breadth. So if we guess that this number that
So
B has,
just by looking at the figures, is that Migdad? I'm asking from you only. Just by looking at the figures, and we can justify that this figure is bigger or this figure is smaller.
ma'am, can I say?
My
Yes.
dear, stop. Can we able to justify by looking at that only?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we have to see the length and breadth.
Okay, okay. Now my question is from Anushka. Anushka, you're there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anushka, now you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me when we need to find out that which is bigger in size, we need to find out the perimeter or the area.
Ma'am, we have to find the perimeter.
Perimeter. Tell me which chocolate is bigger. This is bigger. This is bigger. So how we will find out? Yes,
Ma'am, B is the bigger one.
but how can you justify that B is a bigger one?
Because, ma'am, the A has all the sides same, but the B have the opposite side same,
Hmm?
and the length of the B is broader than the length of the A.
Okay. See, children, now I will tell you. You children
Ma'am,
have
no, ma'am.
learned.
May I say please?
Ma'am, may I say please, ma'am?
Please,
Children, I am leaving. I am leaving the class, please. Yes, Prisha, explain.
Ma'am, both are equal.
Prisha, explain.
Ma'am, both are equal.
Yes,
Both are equal.
But
As
Prisha,
A is a square, as A is a square and B is a rectangle. In the rectangle, two sides are same, and in square, all sides are same. And if
in
we'll make the rectangle like a square, so it will be the same size if we calculate it, as to the breadths are small and the lengths are big, so it will be same equal.
So children, okay, now I will tell you, no one will say, can I say? Now listen to me, children. Now by looking at that, even I cannot justify also that which is bigger, which is smaller. So the method which you have learned, making the squares of equal length, right? So you can make the squares of 1 centimeter in this also. And you can make the squares of 1 centimeter in this also. For example, this is the 1 centimeter.
Your board is not visible properly.
Ma'am,
It's properly visible. Can't you leave?
Now after
Yes, ma'am.
drawing, the squares. Now I can justify because I have made the squares with equal sides, right? Inside the figure. Now the area of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you can justify and tell that which chocolate is bigger.
Ma'am, B1. B1.
Ma'am,
B.
B1.
B1. B1.
Yes.
B1.
Ma'am,
So
B.
yes,
B1.
Vihan. Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, the B can be same also, ma'am. If the length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2. No, ma'am. If length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeters, so ma'am, the A1 can be bigger also.
But you need to find, no, that's why I told you, you need to justify, you need to measure it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to measure it. How much is the length? So we will only justify after measuring it with the methods which you have learned. How to find the area. Then only you can say which object is bigger or which is smaller. That is my main aim to explain you that by looking at the figures you will not able to identify which is bigger or which is smaller. You will, when you will apply the formulas, when you apply the method and find it properly and measure it properly, then only you can justify and tell that this is bigger, this is smaller. Am I clear to you all? Now
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to the,
Yes.
as we have, now this is the figure. I will make 1 centimeter squares on its length and 1 centimeter squares. Please note this also will be counted in the breadth. When this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be one for the length also or breadth also. So if I made this 1 centimeter squares, am I clear? I made one. My dear, wait a minute. How many squares are there in the length?
5.
And each square is of 1 centimeter.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 5 centimeter.
What will be the length of the this?
5
5
centimeter.
centimeter. This is rectangle, children.
5
Okay, this figure is rectangle figure. Have you noticed that? Because here are 5 squares in the length and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 squares in the breadth. So which figure is this?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Why?
Rectangle.
This figure is rectangle. Can you please,
Rectangle.
children, please stop and let me explain for the children, those who don't understand. Mute your mics, everyone, now. Ayush, I will give you answer to your question. Wait for a minute. By looking at the figure, when you see the length is different and the breadth is different, it means the figure is the rectangle figure. आपको देखने से ही पता लग जाना चाहिए कि लेंथ और ब्रेथ अलग अलग है. तो ये फिगर रेक्टेंगल फिगर है. अब इस फिगर का एरिया, द एरिया ऑफ दिस फिगर, बिकॉज देयर आर स्टिल सम स्क्वायर्स आर मिसिंग, वो हमें बनाने पड़ेंगे. या तो आप वो बनाओ, आइदर यू कैन डायरेक्टली डू विद द फॉर्मूला विच आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू टुडे. This is area of a rectangle.
Ma'am, it is 20 square centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I cannot understand. Can you say one more time?
Okay. See, by looking at the figure, when please mute your mics, everyone. That's why I'm telling you, please do not interrupt in between. Children are listening it carefully. Please respect for other children also, that those who are listening it. So please pay attention here. See how to find that figure is a rectangle or a square. Okay. So length and breadth is different. This is length, this is breadth. When length and breadth, two different sides are given to you, it means the figure is the rectangle figure. When, I will make here, when this is given, it means, Riva, now you tell me which figure is this when both the sides are same.
When?
Now you all are clear with this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, coming to the formula of a rectangle, listen here very, very carefully. I made this with the squares, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter length because one square is of 1 centimeter. And on the other side, again, I made the squares 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. That is 1 centimeter each. So the length will be 4 centimeter. I don't want to fill this area. Can I directly find the area of this rectangle? By the formula is,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya will tell me. Lakshya, how we can find out?
Ma'am, you write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Length plus breadth and do bracket.
No, that is the perimeter of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth only. So the length is 5.
Ma'am, we can do bracket also.
No, please, my dear, if I am explaining something, you to be here in the class. In this, when we are finding the area, we will find length multiplied by breadth only. 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, if I need now recheck your answer. Come to check your answer with the squares. If I fill this with the squares, उसके नीचे ही मैंने squares बनाना start कर दिए. Now I can recheck my answer by counting the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Five blocks are there.
Yes, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Have you noticed that thing that we can find the area?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, four boxes also we can do 4 rows.
Children, please mute your mic. Lot of disturbance is coming. And then when I send you a worksheet, all the worksheets are wrong because you don't listen in the class.
Ma'am, but I have a question.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, first question is first you have this is a formula, but you have taught the same method in one more chapter, the L method.
Yes.
By multiplying this. And the second thing was, but ma'am, you said it was a rectangle, right? But the fourth block is very big. So how can it be?
That's okay. I just made with the estimation. When you measure, make it with the scale and proper measurement, then it will be all perfect. Because that's why I told you to bring the square notebooks in the class. When you plot it on the square notebooks, you can find it, the proper exact squares will come. That's why I told you to bring the graph notebook or the math square notebooks to find the perimeter. Is anyone brought in my class? Can tell me yes or no?
Yes, I have brought. Ma'am, I have brought. I have no graph.
Okay, this is very bad to ask, my dear children. Now you please write, write in the chat box your name that you brought. Then I will tell you to do the activity and show it to your friends. Ayansh, you have?
Ma'am, what?
I told to bring the graph notebook in the class.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Rudra Mangokia is having. Rudra, can you please turn on your mic and talk to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Rudra, you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please show it to your friends?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Rudra, I tell you to please take a 6 centimeter length. Draw a 6 centimeter length.
Yes, ma'am.
6 centimeter. This way you draw 6 centimeter because we are going to make a rectangle. Draw it with the pen or pencil dark so that everyone can see.
Yes.
And draw 3 centimeter breadth.
Yes, ma'am.
And draw 3. Make a square. Make a rectangle. Children, he is doing with the in the square notebook. You do with the formula. And we will see who is giving the answer fast. Write in the chat box. Because counting the squares will take much time and finding the area with the formula take less time. That is the reason we are explaining you in both the terms. So I told him to make a rectangle of 6 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. Now, once he will find out and draw the area, this rectangle, he can easily count.
Ma'am,
He
by
can-
mistake I written.
Okay. So he can easily count the squares, but it will take time to count because he need to count each and every square. Now, once you know the length and the breadth, 6 multiplied by 3, easily you can find out 6 3s are 18.
18 centimeter.
Square centimeter square is compulsory. Because when you are why I am telling SQ is compulsory. See, somewhere you can see like this also sign. Centimeter, and on the centimeter 2 is written. When you go in higher grades, you use this 2 as a square. Okay. This is the centimeter power square. When you go in grade 6, you will learn what this power is. आपको कई कई जगह ऐसा भी दिखेगा सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर 2 लगा हुआ, मीन 2 टाइम्स सेंटीमीटर, या सेंटीमीटर, ये स्क्वायर आल्सो यू कैन पुट. आयाच okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, done.
Yeah, how many centimeters it is coming? Can you please show them?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show everyone. Everyone get pin on Rudra, please, and find. See, he had find out by counting the squares.
Rudra,
and find-
Mamugia, show the full pay book.
Bring
Yes.
it up, little up.
Yes.
Okay. Will you able to see now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Perfect.
Yeah. So when you count these boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 in each line. So it will be 18. 18 square centimeter. 18 square. Very good. Someone else has also done. Anvi. Yes, Anvi. Please show. Very good.
I also have done.
Who has done?
Anya Mittal.
Anya. Okay. I will pin you, Anya, and let me see. Good. So, Anya, tell me, what is the area of this?
What, ma'am?
What is the area of the figure which you have drawn? Area. Okay. Find out the
Ma'am, we
area,
have
Anya.
to do a perimeter, na?
Vedi, you were there in my class from the beginning. Please pay attention here in the class.
18, ma'am.
Can we give you more examples?
Now, you draw after the class also in your notebooks. Okay, and find the more example. You can take different length, different breadth. You can draw a square also. You can draw a rectangle also. Find their area. Okay. Now, have you understood about the formula of rectangle? How to find length multiplied by breadth? Length multiplied by breadth. So, write this in your notebooks.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't understand that.
Ashvi, the formula of finding the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. When you multiply length was 5 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter, you will get 20 centimeter square, or you can write in this way 20 square centimeter. Please write now. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, we only have to write length multiply by breadth or downward
No,
also.
only length multiply. Downward also you can write with the formula. You can draw a rectangle also.
First we have to write in the notebook.
Once you mute yourself, children, then you will able to listen to your teacher.
Ma'am, we have to write in the notebook.
Mute yourself, then I will instruct to everyone the common instructions. Mute yourself, please. Please, Rudra, mute yourself, then only I will speak. Otherwise, I will not speak. Rudra and Anya, mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, I'm muted.
Draw a rectangle with the length of 5 centimeter and the breadth of 5 centimeter. Then write the formula finding the area. Area of a rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. 5 centimeter.
Ma'am, 20.
Let me explain first. You will not talk in between. 5 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter is 20 centimeter square. Somewhere you can find the square this way also. And or you can write 20 square centimeter, SQ centimeter. Both the answers are correct.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kahan.
ma'am, we can write both.
You can, no, you only will write one. Right now you can write both. Right now you can write both so that you can understand that you can able to write the answer in both the ways.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, you said that draw a rectangle of 5 centimeter length and 5 centimeter breadth. So
4
in how-
centimeter breadth.
Ma'am, I hear that in
That's why no, I'm telling you children are not listening properly.
no, ma'am, in my it was I hear that you are saying that it is
Now you
Five.
understood, no, Vihan, what to do? Start doing. Please do not disturb the other children. Yes, everyone has to write this in their notebooks. Find the area of a rectangle. Take one example of a square also.
Ma'am, I have drawn one more example.
Now I'm giving you one more example. Side of a square is 5 centimeter. Find its area. So for finding the area of a square is, formula is, this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Sorry.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, so the formula is no. Side multiply by side. One method we have already learned, how to draw the squares and find the area. If I count lengthwise also, if I make 5, if I make big square of 5 centimeters, you measure with the scale and then draw so that it will be easy for you all. This method we have done because 5 centimeter length, so 1 centimeter I will take and draw 5 here, and then breadth also 5 centimeter because this is square. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
25 square
24, 25 square centimeter. But the formula is side multiply by side, which keeps your calculation easy. When you multiply the side with the side, 5 centimeter with the 5 centimeter, you will get 25 square centimeter. And it can be 25 centimeter power 2 square. This is also a square. So both the ways answer is correct. This is time consuming method by drawing the square. So that's why the formula has come for square and the rectangle, finding the area. Please do this also in your notebooks. Faster.
C. Length and breadth are same.
In square, length and breadth are always same.
5 centimeters.
That is why it is called side. Both the sides are same. That's why the formula is changed side into side. You can call it as length into breadth also in this also. But in this length and breadth, wait a minute, Anvi. We can call it this also length into breadth. But in this square, length and breadth both are same. That is why we call it as side multiply by side. Yes, Anvi, please show. Yes, good. Children, try this at home. Then it will be easy for you to understand. Because once you do only 1 or 2 sums, it will be difficult for you to understand. Those who complete, they can leave the class. Thank you, children, for today's class.